Recipe for homemade plum jam. I will clean 5 kilograms of plums. Dear friends, what is your favorite fruit? I cleaned half of the plums and sprinkled them with 500 grams of sugar. The rule is 200 grams of sugar per 1 kilogram of plums. I continue with the cleaning. I add another 500 grams of sugar to the rest of the plums. I will cover it and let it stand overnight. The sugar will dissolve and the plums will release their juice. After the plums have stood and released their juice, I will stir. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I'll put the pan on the stove and turn on the heat. I'll wait until it sprouts. The plums have boiled. I will reduce the temperature and cook for 60 minutes. Stir to prevent burning. After 60 minutes, this is what the jam looks like. I will chop the plums with a stick mixer. I chopped the plums, and now I will cook for another 20 minutes. I constantly stir so that it does not burn. After 20 minutes, the jam is ready. It should fall off the welder in pieces. It must not leak under any circumstances. I prepared the jars. I sterilized them in the oven for 30 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius. I pour hot jam into hot jars. I will close with clean and new lids. I will turn the jars to cool. When they cool down, I take them to the cellar until use. They can last for several years. If you like the recipe, leave me a comment, a heart, and a like. Thanks, friends!